So here is how to play sound and music in Roblox voice chat through your microphone. First, you want to open your browser and then search for voice mod. Then click on the first link and then click on download for free. And you might need to sign in with an account, for example, Google, Gmail. And then you'll be prompted to download the software. Now, once the software is downloaded, you want to click on it to open the installer. And then you'll need to install the software. So I want to press next and accept the terms and then let it install. Now once the installation is complete, you want to launch the software and then you want to press get started, and it should ask next, then click on start using voice mode. And now you want to go to the soundboards, and then you should find the sounds that you can use here, for example the honk and fart and stuff like that. You can also press the plus button to add your custom sounds and choose upload section, and then click on upload and select the music that you want to use, your custom music. And then you can assign a keybind here by clicking the keybind and then pressing the key, for example 0 key or insert key. And whenever you press the insert key, it should play the sound you selected, like this. Now, to play this in game, we want to go to Roblox and then launch the Roblox player. Now, after opening Roblox, you will need to join an experience. So, for example, this one, and then wait for it to load. Now, once you're connected to the experience, you want to press the escape button to get to the settings, and then click on the settings. Now, scroll down till you see the input config or the input device. It should be in this list. And then you should switch it from your microphone device to use the voice mode virtual audio device or microphone. Now, once you set it, make sure your mic is enabled in game. Then you can either go to voice mode and press play on the sound or effect that you want to play, or you can simply use the hotkey when you are inside the game to play it like that. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.